Hi, my name is Ava Stowe and I am 15 years old.
My name's Haley Stowe and I'm 16 years old.
Hi, my name is Julie Stowe and I am the controller at OctoClean Landscaping.
My name is Yvonne Stowe and I'm a mother of 3 boys, Matt, Greg, and Shane.
Hello, my name is Peggy Rose Stewart. I am the proud mother of Yvonne Stowe.
Women's History Month is important because it's a time where these amazing women in history and even women today get their chance to show this is what I've done. Because a lot of the time we always focus on the great things that men have done, but we don't do that with women as often. And that's why we need to have things like Women's History Month where we can focus on women and all of these powerful things that they have done. Because every generation we see a new woman come in and change the way that we are as females viewed.
I think it's so important because there's just so much stuff women's done that they don't get credit for, that they deserve to get credit for, and this is just a great month to talk about that.
I think it's important because, at least for me, when I was in school, when I was younger in school and you opened a history book, there was very little about women. So to give our young women or daughters or sisters this month of educating them where they see things on TV, hear it in school, in literature, social media, whatever it is, it's a conversation and a discussion that needs to happen, and I feel like stories need to be told to change things. And the hundreds of years of male-dominated history that we've had, and I'm not taking anything away from that because that needs to be there, but man, there's some amazing women, and their names are not household names, so that needs to change.
As I mentioned before, Women's History Month is important because there are so many women in history, just like the Betsy Ross, that you think she just sewed a flag. Well, yeah, she just sewed a flag, but she owned a business back then, an upholstery business. Lost her husband at age 24, had to take up the business and run it herself. Left her family, her Quaker family, and started on her own way. That's just one of many. There's a lot going on out there for us ladies, but you have to look at it. I think sometimes they're not looked at.
I think it's enormously important. It's I almost said a bad word. It's about darn time that women were given the recognition and the respect for all they do in this world. And I'm just not talking about the United States, I'm talking about all over the world. Women who are fighting today to have freedom, to be not considered sexual objects. I think those are the women that we need to be thinking about. We don't know their names, but they go to work, they struggle, they clean houses, they try to make the grocery list, the budget stretch to put groceries on the table. Those are the ones that I want to honor. I think it's extremely important that we have this history month. So I guess it's our job to spread the word and sit down and talk about it and say, this is what it means.